I hope you all are doing great. And today's video is a little bit personal because I want to share you that how I struggled with self-doubt and how I slowly started overcoming it. If you ever felt that you're not good enough, this video is for you. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the video. I always used to overthink, used to question myself about everything. Before speaking in the class, I would always think that what if I am going to sound stupid? Or before doing anything, before starting anything, I used to be very fearful and anxious that what if I fail and what if this would be great or not and what if people would like it or not. This always let me down, always. And this always held me to one spot and I never try to make a progress and be better. And I used to compare, like many of us did. We compare ourselves with people, and social media makes it worse. I also constantly compared myself to others, and as I said, social media made it worse. We see people posting things on social media with a happy face, confidence, joy. They post videos which shows a lot of talent and happiness, and so I was not jealous of it, but it made me insecure. Why? Because I saw people starting out things in their life. They already started making videos or started their journey in becoming a successful person, but I was still at the same spot as before. So it made me so insecure that I am not progressing. I am at the same spot, and what am I doing? I haven't started anything yet. They are of my same age and they have achieved many things in their life, and it made me really insecure about myself. But one quality that I'm really grateful to God, that I never thought or never doubted my capabilities. I never thought that I can't do it because I'm not able to do it, and this is not for me. I always knew that I am a human being and I can do anything. But the only thing that struck me was the fear of starting it, the fear of action, doing it, what people would think. That made me so insecure. And watching it on Instagram, YouTube, everyone doing their stuff to grow, to achieve things made me so insecure. My turning point wasn't very big enough that people think a very changing moment that would be recognized by people. It wasn't dramatic at all. It wasn't a big motivational speech or overnight success. It was a very small moment, but it was very important and effective. I remember missing an opportunity because I was too scared to try. And then I realized that it wasn't my abilities. It wasn't my capabilities that were stopping me. It was my fear to try that was stopping me to do things, to achieve great things. Then I asked myself that what if I'm wrong? What if I am wrong? That what if the thought that I really have that I would fail, I would not get successful, it's really wrong. I haven't started. I haven't even took a single action to prove it wrong. So I started that I should do it now. I should take the action today, not 6 months after or any other day. Today should be the day. Because if I say that I will take this action today, and if I'll say that I'll take that action 6 months before, 6 months after. So the difference would be if I'll start doing it today, with the time going on, and in 6 months, I would be better. But if I'll start 6 months later, I would be at the same spot and I would need more time to become more better into it. So if I'll start today without giving much thought to it, if I'll start it today, 6 months later, I would be more skilled and more better into that. The first step today or any other day would be the same. I have to do it. You know, what helped me the most in overcoming self-doubt and making this journey memorable, like I want to share you 3 tips I would say that would really help you. First is take small steps. Small steps, not big ones. Because when we know कि when we say कि थोड़ा थोड़ा काम करेंगे but it really looks ineffective and we think कि छोटी छोटी चीजों से क्या होगा, but they are really effective. Instead of just thinking about something very big जो कि एक दिन होता है उसके बाद वो वहीं के वहीं धरा रह जाता है, इससे अच्छे कि छोटे छोटे स्मॉल स्टेप्स, बिल्डिंग द स्टेप्स जो कि बहुत इफेक्टिव होते हैं इन द लॉन्ग रन. दे हेल्प यू अलॉट. Like, start doing things, speak up for once what you're feared of, give your opinion in front of the class, start trying out things. This builds confidence. This small acts, they combined up and they build confidence. Second is, I change my self-talk. Instead of saying, I didn't do great into it, and this was so bad, I started saying that I learned to do it better. Because when you do something and you didn't perform that well enough, but that was an experience that made you learn how to do it better the next time. So instead of just saying I didn't do it great, just say that I learned how to do it great for the next time. Just have the shift of the perspective and everything would be changed. Third, I stopped waiting for the perfect time. See, perfect time doesn't come. I stopped waiting for confidence to build naturally. You know, confidence is not natural. It doesn't come naturally. Ki ek din I would be so confident. No, it comes with action. Confidence follows action. The more you will do it, the more you will do, the more practice you would have of something, the more confident you would feel day after the other. That's why we say कि जब कोई किसी चीज को बहुत कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ, बहुत प्रैक्टिस के साथ करता है तो वो उसके कॉन्फिडेंस में झलकता है. Now, where am I? Do I still feel self-doubt? Yes, of course, because self-doubt is a human emotion that anyone can feel at any moment of time. It's not like कि अब I have learned to cope with it, so I don't feel self-doubt anymore. I feel it. But the difference here is I know how to deal with it. I don't let it control myself now. I can cope with it very well. Self-doubt visits me sometimes, but I don't let it stay. That's the difference here. If you're struggling with self-doubt, I want you to remember this one thing which is very important. Your thoughts do not always tell you the truth. You're more capable than you think. Start small, take just one step, and prove your self-doubt that it's strong and you can do it. So now we have come to an end of this video. So in this video, I talked about self-doubt, about my experience of it, and the steps through which we can conquer it. So I hope this video would have resonated with you. And if you really liked it, please share it with someone who really needs it. And let me know in the comment section that what steps do you take this week. And if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like to the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.